Dear video viewers, how are you? I hope that you are all fit and fine. I am also fine. At present, I am standing Pabla Sadar Upazila. You can see Police Line School and College. You can see field. This field name of Police Line School field. There are many people. There are many students are playing football in this field. I have with my little friend. My little friend, Debrata Kumar Nandi Dev. What's your name? Dev. Debrata Nandi. Are you happy?
Happy.
Are you hungry?
Hungry.
Yes, hungry.
It's hungry.
What's your
no hungry.
No hungry. Okay. What's your father name?
Button. Button.
What's your father name?
Button.
Tell me. Bye bye. Bye bye, Baba.
Bye bye.